Okay, good morning sa inyong lahat. Ang topic natin today ay sum product ng Excel. Sa example dito, meron tayong RA1, ito yon. Then RA2, ito yon. Okay, so paano nag-work yung sum product? Let's type equals sum product. Then, meron tayong parameter na RA1. So, select lang natin itong RA1. Then, sunod na parameter is lagyan natin ng comma. Then, select natin yung RA2. Okay, then press enter key. Bakit naging 2 yung output? Mula guys sa sum product, una niyang gagawin is equals yung RA1, i-multiply niya lang sa RA2. Enter. Equals RA1, i-multiply niya sa RA2. Enter. And finally, bakit naging 2? Kinuha niya lang yung sum. After getting the product, so ito yun, nag-multiply tayo. After product, kukunin naman niya ngayon yung sum. So ito siya, plus itong part na ito. Yan, total is 2. So nakita nyo, nag-tally yung result natin dito. Okay, subukan naman natin ngayon palitan ng 2. Ano ngayon na magiging answer natin? Bakit naging 3? Ganun pa rin, 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Then 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So, ganun lang nangyayari kapag sum product tayo. Ngayon, pwede ba natin ma-bypass tong function na to? Pwede naman. Nyo lang lang sign. Then, saka natin select yung RA2. Ano ngayon na mangyayari sa output natin? So, what will happen guys is i-add nyo lang lahat yan. 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Tapos equals 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. I-add niya 3 plus 2, you got 5. Okay. So, ganun lang nangyayari kapag nilagyan natin siya ng plus sign. Ngayon, paano naman, halimbawa, ginawa ko itong subtraction. Ano gagawin ngayon ni Excel? So, enter. Bakit naging 1 yung result? So, mangyayari is 2. Ngayon to, what will happen now is 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Tapos, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Then finally, 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. So, ganun ang nangyayari kapag pinalitan natin siya ng subtraction. Okay po? So, pwede nyo rin gamitin yung asterisk, stands for product, and division for the kapag product naman guys, ganito yun. Sige, gawin natin siya. Okay, naging 3. 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Tapos, 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Then, mangyayari, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay? If you want to change it to division, ito yung mangyayari. Okay? So, yan yung magiging answer. So, what will happen? Bakit naging 3? Nangyayari is 2 divided by 1 is 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2. Then, equals to 1 divided by 1 is 1. Mangyayari, saka papasok ngayon yung sum, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay? So, ganun lang po nangyayari sa sum product. Ito siya. Tapos, select natin itong portion na to. Enter. So, bakit naging 3? Ganun pa rin. Multiply mo na siya. 2 times 1 is 2. Then, 1 times 1 is equal to 1, then 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Ngayon, ang question here is, pwede ba natin baguhin yung array? Pwede naman. F2, itan lang natin siya. Change it to this one, horizontal, comma. Select natin itong pangalawa, enter. So, bakit naging 3? Ganito naman naging process niya. Product muna ulit equals 2 multiply by 1, enter, then equals 2. Ito, multiply by 1. Kinuha niya ngayon yung sum. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you guys and bye-bye.